What's going on, guys? Your boy Mark the Shark. Out here enjoying the nice weather on this Saturday. Just landed a nice little piece of gold. Just get a little glimpse of him. Nice little piece of gold, huh? Tell you, Carp is a beautiful fish. He feels like he could be 18 to 19 pounds. Could be a 20 easily. Nice. Totally nailed him with like a pineapple yellow pop-up and a pineapple artificial corn. Doing everything popped up today. Just out here making the most of it. Pose for a little picture, you know. Just out here making the most of it. Beautiful catch, guys. Beautiful catch. Look forward to more. I'll let you know the weight real fast. Since I got you here, might as well let you know what's the weight. One second. I'll let you know. Yeah, you feel like a 20 easily. His body is weird. Nice piece of gold, but his body doesn't look as heavy as he actually is. He's much heavier than he looks, I'm noticing. Okay, let's see. Let's get him balanced here. Scale say about 21, so he about a 19 pounder, probably 19 pounds and a couple ounces. All right, guys, let me get him back in.